GG, I'm posting the 22 FR.
Oh my god, I'm Flipy. This kid's shit, yo.
Yo, Reqtxle, how many times have you beat him?
How many times? I've been in him like fucking 10 times in friendlies. He tries camping on me all the time.
Exactly, right? He tries to camp and get slapped. GG.
No. Where's, what's his face? Spidey. Reqtxle's a bad kid.
That actually is his normal voice.
Yo, okay, go ahead.
Lucky shot, and he just sits back whenever he's on final.
He's on right. Go ahead. I don't care. What the fuck is that? For real.
Touch my track.
Oh, come on.
That shit, dude. Bro, quit playing.
For real. That is about to get kicked.
He's seriously on barrel.
Yo, kick him and see what happens, kid.
Oh my god, Source. I'm not fucking peeking now.
With Blunt Man's IR shit.
Yeah, I ain't fucking rushing no more.
Oh, you kicked me.
I'm not moving,
I didn't
Source.
invite him.
You haven't rushed me one fucking kill.
No, you're done.